Take a seat, please. Mommy's gonna give you dessert. You're gonna like it. Hey guys, today it is not about pastry tutorial like usual, but I'm sharing Lay's challenge. If she can wait to eat my desserts until I come back. I personally was very curious to see how she will react with this, so let's see. Ta-da! Pink one, please.
This one.
You want that one?
Yes.
Blackberry? Okay. And another one? This one? Okay.
Yes.
Got it. I'm just gonna put that on your plate.
Yes.
By the way, to see how you can make all of these tarts, check out this video.
Make the cupcake.
Take a seat. So, hey Lay, hold on, wait. Look at Mama. Mama is going to bathroom quick. Can you wait? Can you wait and not to eat this? Yeah? Look at Mama. Can you wait?
Wait a little bit.
Yeah.
Blueberries.
Blackberry and raspberry tart.
Cookie.
Mama's gonna come back soon, okay? Just wait over here.
No.
Did you wait it? Did you wait it for Mama?
Got you.
High five! Great job! You waited for Mama. Okay. Now you can eat. Go ahead. Good job, Lay. Good job. So you love macarons, huh? Macarons. Sweet.
Oopsies.
You say oopsies. Ooh, it's a huge bite. Tart.
Tart.
Tart. Don't lick, just bite. It's a raspberry jam. How do you explain?
Clacker.
Clacker. And the raspberry one. Ooh.